Right guys, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm going out on another adventure. I'm going fishing again. Might say I'm a bit silly because it's quite windy tonight. It's Friday the 14th. I know I didn't get out on Halloween. If you watched my last video, I said I might come out on the Friday night, but I didn't. My back was hurting a little bit, so I didn't bother. Don't want to be tempting fate. So I'm just leaving Norton. I'm only going back up to Hartlepool, Middleton Pier again. I did quite well last time, although there were only whiteys. But yeah, so next time I bring you back, I'll be on Middleton Pier. I'm going to get set up as well while I'm there. I don't want to bore you with me setting everything up. So wish me luck, guys. Thanks very much. Bye bye. Well, it's 10 to 9, I think. High tide's about 25 to 12. I don't know, really. There's a big sea on. It's going to be about 3 hours before high tide. So, I'll bring you back. Right guys, I'm at the point here where I need to cross a little bridge. Oh, the tide is just coming over it all. The swell is coming over it all the time. I think I'll give it about another hour, see if the sea settles down. I don't do dangerous fishing. The wind's blowing a hoolie. That's the state of the sea at the moment. I probably wouldn't even hold bottom in that. So I'm not going to chance it. Can't see me now. I'll turn that away. I'm going to go back to the car, sit it out for an hour and a half, basically, just to see when there's more water in, if it settles down a bit. Yeah, okay, you've got this side, which goes into the marina. But at the moment there'll only be about 2.5 foot of water in it. Right, I'll bring you back when I get sorted out. Right, I'm back in the car. The time's what now? 10 past 9. I've had a hot chocolate. I know. Anybody who watches my videos, I normally swear by coffee. I only had a little bit left and I want one when I get home, so I filled the flask up this time with hot chocolate. It's getting near Christmas. Must be for me to shell out on chocolate. Yeah, so as I was trying to tell you down there, I don't know how much of it you could hear with the wind and the lashing of the sea. It's a little bit overwhelming, really. Can't even get on the pier. I've never known that all the times I've fished Middleton, but it has been a northeasterly, I believe, today. I think they're about 30 to 40 mile an hour winds. Excuse me. So, and with the tide coming in as well. So yeah, I mean, it's to be expected, isn't it? So I'm just going to sit it out in the car for about another hour. I'll go and have a look at it, and if it's settled down, then I'll get all my gear back out. So hope you're all well, and thanks for subscribing to the channel. I don't know why they use that terminology, subscribe, because it puts a lot of people off. It put me off when I started watching YouTube. I was watching all the fishing shows and whatnot. Everybody was saying, oh, subscribe and I was thinking, not on your Nelly. I haven't got money to spend on subscribing to you lot. Didn't realise it was free. So yeah, it's free to subscribe, so please feel free to just subscribe. It costs you nothing. Give us a like. I will be doing a lot more adventures now. The garden, if you watched all my other videos, the garden's really put to sleep now over the winter. My log cabin's up. Oh yeah, reminds me, sorry, need to give a big shout out to Steph, or if you prefer Stephanie. Yeah, so Steph watched the video 2 weeks ago when I was on Middleton Pier doing fishing, and I caught all them fish, getting fat fish. Not bad for my first YouTube video on fishing. Anyway, so Steph commented, thank you Steph, asking how the garden's getting on. So if you're watching, Steph, I will do probably just like a quick walk through really, just to show you at what stage I'm at now. So keep up the good work, Steph, look after yourself, and thanks for commenting. And please, all you people out there who watch me videos, please comment. I'd love to hear from you. I don't do this for the money. I'm not monetized, far from it. But I just like to interact with people, especially if they want to interact with me. You know, I'm overwhelmed if people get in touch with me. So that's enough waffle for now. I'm gonna, another 20 minutes, I'm gonna leave my fishing gear in the car. I'll have a quick walk down, it's not far, to the pier, and I'll do a recce of what the sea state's like. There's nobody on the pier, obviously. Everybody's probably thought, not a chance, not tonight, mate. So anyway, we'll see. I'll bring you back.
Puerto Rico's beach rise with the break of dawn. Every island's calling us to keep moving on.
I better put this one down to experience. I'm going home. It's 5 to 10. I'm not going to get back on that pier. And it's too dangerous in this wind. Wouldn't be able to all ground. Your rod be all over the place. So sorry I didn't get to do any fishing. I tried. I mean, I don't know if you can see the flags on the lampposts. They're absolutely menacing. So I better put my seatbelt on that man. So I'm going home. I'll probably stop off, get a kebab or something, I don't know. Treat myself, drown my sorrows in a kebab. I don't know. What has my life come to? Right? Friday night, can't get out fishing, not out in the boozer, and all I've got to look forward to is a takeaway. Right, I'm just going to come through Seaton Carew now. It's a nice little seaside resort really in the summer months. Quite a lot of people come here. A few fish and chip shops. A lot of people go to the Almighty Cod. Yeah, I do myself, it's really nice. But just across the road, I went there a couple of months ago up in the summer months with my grandkids, youngs. That was just as nice. So, getting told to slow down. It's only 20 through here. So yeah, hopefully get out tomorrow. I've got a few little jobs to do. I've got a delivery coming between 8 and half 12, I think. I'm not sure what high tide is tomorrow. Be around about 2 o'clock or something, I think. So I'll see you then. Look after yourselves. Stay safe. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It doesn't cost you out, like I mentioned earlier on in the video. I am just trying to build the channel up. So I'll bid you farewell till tomorrow and good night. So, good morning. Welcome back to Paradise. Adventures with Andy. What's been going on in the garden of late? Sorry I haven't put a video on for a while. Just been busy. So, let's take a look. Look at that. Patio's down. Yeah, no, the hose pipe's there, but pathway's down. Look at this, so my shed's arrived, or my log cabin, whatever you want to call it. Look at the bits. Didn't come like that. Got put on the drive in one big pile. It just took us about 2.5 hours just to segregate it all. Some over there on the deck. Yeah, we'll get that fence done. That's definitely next on the agenda. So, I've put the base in. And obviously, as you can see, the base for the shed's done. Everything's level. Just need to make sure there's some airflow underneath it correctly. So, what do you think? Huh? It's getting there, isn't it? The never-ending garden. So yeah, I'd just like to say for everybody who watches a big thank you, and for subscribing and liking and sharing, and watch this space. Be more to come shortly. Get this done, and then I'm definitely on my adventures in the campervan. So for the short time, I'll cut this one short, and I'll bring you back a bit later on when we've made a start on the cabin. Take care of yourselves. Catch up soon. Bye bye.